iPhone 1-pound receiver cable. Replacement operation. This is an iPhone 12 with Restore True Tone function, automatic. Photo sensitivity and Face ID unavailable. Take out the pound L3 repair instrument. Plug in main set sensor pair expansion board. Will automatically jump to the relevant page. Take out pound receiver cable. Buckle the cable onto the repair expansion board. Test display normal. Plug in the mobile phone data cable to connect the mobile phone. Test display back. Show write success. Detection display exists data. Turn off the phone and install the cable on the phone. True Tone function, automatic photo sensitivity, and Face ID have been successfully repaired.